Shima. I'm going to explain about career mapping exercise. And my first topic is self-reflection. I'm interested on exploring mythology and exploring different fields, exploring games. And my skills are arts and handwriting, talkative, and my values are biology, good at making friends, and I'm funny. Second topic is exploring career fields, and my ambition is to become a doctor. In doctor, I want to become a cardiologist or hematologist. It's in science and technology. My third topic is career mapping chart. I want to learn wall painting, and I'm emotionally strong, good at art and craft. My ambition is doctor, and I'm interested in art related things. My action plan is short term plan is on the age of 15 to 16. I have to give more importance to science to take biomaths, and my long term action is I have to build a huge hospital. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is John Rohan. I am studying A standard B section. Today I am going to say about exploring career fields. First I am going to talk about my self-reflection. I like to read storybooks in my holidays, and I want to participate in competition. I am also interested in reading, playing and writing. My ambition is to become collector. I also think that water is essential for human beings. Food is also essential for me to survive. My second topic is explore career fields. My ambition is to become a collector, and it comes under the field of law and public. If I become a collector, I will help the people who are in my country, and I will solve the problems. My third topic is explore career chart. My strength is to get first mark in all the subjects. My interest is to play football with my friends. I want to improve handwriting and drawing. My hobby is drawing. And my fourth topic is action mind. My short time action is to get first mark in all the subjects and full mark in maths and science. And I want to get business maths in 11th standard. My long-term memory is to become a collector at the age of 25. I will solve the problems for the public. Thank you.